Here's an example of some of them, okay? And the reason it comes up with this phrase 10x, as you can see, all of these numbers are substantially larger. Tangerine's the former ING Direct Bank, okay? What I love about them is it's not so much even their technology, though. Obviously, it's a net bank, so it's a different kind of technology. But what they do is they do all the things right for customer service. So one of the things you're going to find about these companies, not only are they using technology, but they're also doing the fundamentals we all know and we don't often do about basic service. So how many of you, I know for me this is one of my bugaboos, I get into a bank and there's 1 or 2 tellers only and the line's getting longer and longer, and there are 3 people sitting at their desk and nobody does anything. Their whole philosophy is we're a beehive. If we see there's a need for some kind of service, everyone stops what they do and they run and do it. What's the difference? They got 7 times more customers per employee. And they don't have to have a retail store, and they're not doing that kind of thing. One after the other, you get an idea of these kind of things that are happening. And you look at the valuations, you get the same kinds of things. So I gave you the example of Hire, going from 20 billion to 60 billion. Increasingly, the numbers speak for themselves, and it doesn't matter whether you're old world or new world, all of these work. So these are just some examples to do it. So what's the difference? Linear is saying, I want to own the asset, I want to own the people, I want to try to build it together, and therefore I can see every time I add staff, I add people, I can grow. What's interesting, and I say that because it's a very important part, about exponential is that you can grow 10x, but it takes a while to get there, because that network effect takes a while. You spend a lot of money building that platform for Uber, or for Airbnb, or BlaBlaCar, or any of these kind of things. BlaBlaCar, for those of you who don't know, you all know Zipcar. Okay, Zipcar is in New York, so Robert Chase wrote a phenomenal book if you want to read it. For those of us who are readers, it's called Peers, and it's about the collaborative economy. So it is in Europe, it's profitable, 4 years now, it's now profitable. It is the largest long-distance car-sharing business, and what it is, if you're going, make the leap from Paris to Berlin, and you know you're going by yourself and you want to be able to have someone else sit in the car and help pay for some of the gas and keep you company, that's what this is a service that does, and it is literally destroying its competition, which are the train systems that serve Europe, okay? Because it's an easier way to do it. Again, they don't own any assets, and again, every time another person's traveling, they add it, there's no cost because it's on there. So exponential, in many ways, is deceptive initially. It looks like you're not succeeding because there's not a lot of people using you until that network effect comes, and that's when you